Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on screen recording touch points in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to enable it. First of all, we need to access settings. In settings, we have to tap display options menu. Then at the very bottom, we have screen record menu. Then at the bottom again we have record touch points. So show interactions in the video. Yes please. And now this option is turned on. It's a simple on or off switch. There are no other hidden menus here. So let's leave it turned on, and that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.